are one people.
Now back to the topic of celebrating. We are happy with the developments. We are just prayerful for the peace that has transpired. We saw what happened in Harare, across the whole country, Bulawayo, everywhere. It was so pleasing that people, irrespective of party, MDC, ZANU, and all these other new parties, you couldn't tell the difference between them. So I think the same with us here. We are all one Zimbabwe. We are all one nation. So we pray that the transition will end smoothly and that the future is brighter. And we are all looking forward to the day when we can freely express ourselves in Zimbabwe and contribute to the development of our country. This is the most important thing.